Hey guys, welcome back to the printing workshop. As always, I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the print cartridge on a Xerox AltaLink B8090. Alright, first thing you're going to do is open up that front cover, and on this one you're actually going to open up the left side cover also. Now this is your print cartridge, the R2. Now to get this thing out of here, it's got an orange latch. You're going to grab that and twist it slowly to the unlock position, and then you grab the orange handle at the top of the cartridge, lift up, and then pull straight out on it until you get to this orange handle. Once you get to that orange handle, grab it with your other hand and just very slightly lift up on it to get it all the way out of the machine. And there is your print cartridge, or your drum. As always with a drum, remember, be very careful not to touch that purple surface, because you can damage it and it will give you print quality issues. Once you get your new drum out of the box, I like to grab the gray plastic on the front of it just for stability, and then we're going to lay that thing down right here on this bottom shelf. Very easy. And slide it in very carefully. Alright, once you have this thing in here, you're going to want to clean the LED array. Alright, you're going to take this blue handle, you're going to pull straight out on it. It does not come out of the machine all the way. It comes to about right there. Push it in and pull it out about 3 times, and that should clean that light array inside of there. And then once you're done, grab this orange lock handle and you're going to twist it up very slowly and deliberately into the lock position. You don't want to just let it go and slam into place, or you run the risk of having toner rain back down on that light array that you just cleaned. So you want to do that very slowly so it clicks in place real slow. Once that's all done, we're closing up the left cover. Make sure you latch the front and rear latches on that left side cover, and then close your front cover, and you should be back in business. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. Hey everybody, from all of us here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to say thank you for taking a look at our videos. If you have any questions about this model or any other Xerox models, leave us a comment. And as always, remember, like and subscribe.